What's up, guys? Welcome back and thanks for tuning in once again to another episode of Miller Time Angling. Sorry we haven't had a video out in a while. We've been kind of busy. A lot going on right now. The old COVID-19 and all that, you know. I've been working a lot more since then, so we've still been fishing, just haven't had a lot of time to put into the old editing part of it here. But I figured you guys wouldn't want to miss this. We're actually going to go catch our first flathead of the year tonight. We're actually going to get Lexi's first flathead too. So stick around, guys. I'm pretty sure you're not going to want to miss it. Oh, we got poles out. Sun's starting to go down. It's going to be a beautiful night. Mid-60s overnight. Perfect. It's going to happen, guys. I'm so excited. Are you guys excited as me? We're going to play a little board game while we're waiting. Apples to apples. Lexi's choice. Not a bad first fish. You hit it like a Mack truck, that's for sure. We just had a game fish and Parks come down and check on us, and he asked if he was good luck because a rod jumped, and he literally just left, and we got this guy, so I guess, yeah, he was good luck. Got it out of him and into me. Not a bad one, actually. I'd say close to 10. A little dirty on that side. It's a good fish. We're gonna grab a couple pictures real quick. We'll bring it back for the release. All right, let's go get a release on this bad boy. All right, here we go. Woo! We got a little visitor. We call him Flatty. He visits us at this spot from time to time, almost every time. He's a good boy. Keeps an eye on our rods for us.
He's been bitten on his head or something.
I think he might be starting to go in the spawn.
Could be. Open wound on his head. Chunky.
What was he on?
Like a 5 or 6 inch live pumpkin.
Nice.
We're gonna get a measurement and a girth on, or a length and a girth on this. Put it on King of the Cats, and we'll get back to you for the release. Alright, so he was 26.5 by 16.5. Got a few pictures of him. Now getting ready for the release.
It's pretty muddy, though. I don't know if I go the whole way. Maybe just give it a chuck. Awesome, buddy.
Thank you.
Bully, bully. Isaiah was just about to go to bed. We haven't gotten that flatty we're looking for yet, but keeping steady with these channel cats. We're in this little fish donkey tournament, King of the Cats. Isaiah's one of the under 16, so he's in the King of the Kitties division. There's only a few kids in it, but this will put him into, like, I don't know, 4th or 5th.
He's got like no teeth. Caught him on a cut green sunfish. Not a very big piece, I don't think. But a nice channel nonetheless. Got weird spots all over him.
Woo! Well, it's getting pretty late. I'm gonna get a little shut-eye while I'm waiting for the bite. Maybe catch a couple Z's. Maybe just rest my eyes. I'll bring it back if we get a fish though, guys, don't worry. Nice morning, channel cat. Good job, baby.
Thanks. Roscoe. Roscoe, look.
What is that?
Don't lick it. Oh, God. Alright.
Ready to let him go?
Yeah. Just flash right there.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Good job. Zay's still sleeping. It's the next morning. I don't know if you guys can tell. The sun now is up and the moon is down. So it's bright out now. It's the next day. We're about to go on a little nature hike. We're pulling up our poles here. I was just about to grab the bell off this left one, and it went crazy. It went wham, 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 wham. And now it's still bent, so I'm gonna check it out with you guys on camera. Come on, let's see. No flatheads. Bonus fishing! That's the first fish on my braid's baits right there. Gobbled it. Awesome. Not what I expected for my first fish on one of my own baits, but it's pretty fitting since I'm a catfisherman anyway, huh? Awesome.
Can I hold him?
Lex, you want to let him go?
Yeah. Alright, buddy. So long, friend.
Whoa! He gone.
Bye-bye.
Well, it's double official. Channel cats like braid baits. There he goes. Well, that wasn't too bad. We didn't catch any flatheads. Caught a bunch of channel cats out on the river, and then we just caught a bunch of channel cats here on the braid baits. Awesome. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Catch you on the next one.